everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. I'm here today to show you my midweek crafty share. This lovely washi tape that is so simple to make, and you can store it for as long as you like. So all we need for this quick share are napkins, and it's quite nice to have a sort of a busy napkin with lots of elements on it, rather than one that's a little bit gappy. So try and get a busy one. Some washi tape and some scissors. So today I'm going to choose this napkin. It's got lots of colour on it. It'll make a lovely washi tape. And there's some butterflies, flowers, birds. I've got some lovely napkins here, but or serviettes, but some of them are, that might be okay if you had a wide double-sided tape, but I haven't got that today, so I'm going to stick with the one I've got here. So firstly, we've got to take the layers off the serviette. They usually have sort of 2 or 3 layers, and what I tend to use is a bit of sellotape or masking tape just to lift the, you probably know this trick already. It just rips the layers off. And I'm not sure if there's another layer there. I'll just try it in this corner. Yes, there is. So this one had made up of 3 layers. Okay, I sometimes keep these because they go over sort of vintage tags, and or you can tea stain them. They're quite handy, but I have got quite a lot in my stash. Okay, well this is very simple. So all we do is on your single layer is put your double-sided tape I'm not going to put it up to the edge because it's got a green band and I just don't want that on the edge. So once you've smoothed that down, all I do then is cut along the edge of the tape. Don't have to be neat about it, because you can end up with a rough edge, which is quite nice for your washi tape. And the thing I like about using this method to get your washi tape is that you can store it for as long as you like, and also it's not shiny. I quite like having the dull look to the washi tape, so it blends in with more vintage things. So then if we want to carry on, okay, so we'll go for another row. And you can just carry on for as long as you like. Make as much as you want. And as I say, the nice thing about it is you don't have to use it straight away, because you can store it up. I'm going to cut it there. So there we are, beautiful washi tape, as quick as you like, and then you can fold it up, or if you've got an old reel you can put it onto that, stick the end to it. And say I quite like having the rough edge. You could ink up the edges as well if you wanted to, but you find some lovely vintage napkins or just beautiful ones like this, and then when you want to use them you've just got to peel the back off and it's ready to stick. So that's my midweek crafty share. I'm sure there's lots of other YouTube videos showing you how to use this, but I thought I'd share it with you today. A quick, easy, crafty make.